Well, there's one other option that we can try that's not going to work, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to click the cogwheel to edit the panel. And since we know this pane isn't going to work, let's delete it by clicking the cogwheel and then dragging down. Now, if you can't drag down all the way, you may need to click the cogwheel again to close it and open it one more time and then scroll down. This is because the size of the overlay needs to expand once for some reason in order to display the rest of the settings here. So I'm going to click remove. This asks us if we really want to remove the pane. I'm going to click OK. And now let's add a new pane. I'm going to click on the cogwheel for the center region here. I'm going to click add content. And let's check out the page elements here. So here's one more place where we have the title. This is the page title instead of the node title, but ideally the page title should be the node title in this case, right? So let's go ahead and click it and see if we can get anything useful out of it. It looks like the title tag is set to H1, which unfortunately won't do anything for us right now. This could be a bug in panels, but it looks right. It looks like the right setting. So we'll leave it there and we'll click finish. We'll drag this page title up above the content and click update and save. So notice that nothing changes. That's because we have the panel pane set to hide the title. Now, if we redisplay the title, I'm going to go ahead and click the edit panel cogwheel. And for the title type for this variant, and we select manually set, and we scroll down and select update and save, then here we have our review of airspeed velocity t-shirt that we really want to hide. And then we have a display here now. So it's just because we're hiding it here as the page title that we don't see it here. This is indeed an H1 tag, but we can't use this because we need to hide the page title.